Hello everybody, welcome friend. Today I will help you to install the last version of Odoo. I'm talking about the last version, Odoo 27. On Ubuntu Server exactly, with detailed steps. I will break this down into clear. cd2. Okay, let's enter our password. Update. Here we go, everything is going well. Then we are going to apply this next command. Nice. We are going to put this command here. Then we just need to wait in some time. About the next step, we are going to install database PostgreSQL, and our command is sudo apt install PostgreSQL-y for accept, install, and overwrite all package. So we need just to copy this and wait in this installation to complete, then apply it. It's doing past install PostgreSQL to y or -y. Yes, we forgot to add apps for Ubuntu, and everything going well. Let's take just a few moments for finishing the installation. Next step is create PostgreSQL user for Odoo, and we can do it just by this command cd-postgres. This script I prepared for you is very clear and very clean. There is no error, and if we found any error or if we face any error, I will try to fix it with you. So don't hesitate if you have any problem to text me or to leave me your comment. So let's apply this comment. Here, create user Odoo. Everything will go on well, of course. Then write exit to return to our root. Then create Odoo system and give his permission. So now we are going to install this package for PDF reader reports and apply this and waiting to install. Then the next step is to install this version from GitHub. Anyway, can install this version exactly, and let's clone it. Right now, the next step is we are going to create Odoo configuration file. We'll use bash commands, and this command says it's very easy. We're using this command for create another file Odoo. Nice. Go past apply, and let's open this file with nano. You can use vim or vi as you like to do it, and let's copy this configuration like this. Be sure to put your password here as you like it. For example, I will enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and let's make other things as it is. Enter. Then let's install this package. The next step, we are going to create a virtual environment and install dependence for Odoo. cd opt Odoo, and let's install or move this. Now let's active this virtual environment and working in it. Let's install pip install copg2 version, and after completing we will install the same version but in binary system and break system package. This is the right way how to install Odoo without any problem and how to fix all errors you have in your machine with binary. And this command or this last command is will fix any error in this package. So everything is going well right now, and let's install well. Okay, let's install Odoo requirement text. It's take just few moments, so let's wait again. So everything going well and we doesn't faces any problem, and this is a good news for us, and everything I guess it will passing well, because the importance in Ubuntu server is to be careful about our package and to update and doing upgrade for all requirements, and be sure about requirement of hardware. You need 8 giga for random access memory. I am talking about RAM, and you need 2 CPU at least for installing Odoo server or Odoo software open source in your Ubuntu server. This is the important thing about storage. There is no problem. At least 25 giga is enough for you. For begin, then you can add if you need more. Very nice, everything going well. So let's exit from the virtual environment and let's return to the root path. And here, let's go to this path. Let's open this file by nano and put this config again, unit of Odoo. Install targets. Yes, let's check all this. Doing past, don't change anything. You don't need to change anything. Everything is going well. User is Odoo and group is Odoo as we write already, and or as we created already in this VM. So all what you need to do is to press Ctrl X and Y. Yes. Then let's pass to the next command is to set proper permission for Odoo for making our system able to open this file and to take priorities and admin rules without asking about your password or without facing any problem in your database never. So the next step is to start and to enable our services of Odoo by applying all this command. You can do one by one or you can copy all these in the same shape. So I will apply them. Diamond, reload and start Odoo with enable Odoo. So there is no problem. Everything is going well. For check his status, we are going to change enable with status. Yes, sudo system status Odoo, and his status is enabled. We found everything is going well. So congratulations, your Odoo is already installed and it's well working well. APA, our address AP, copy. For opening Odoo, we need to add the port of Odoo is 8069 and type OK. Here we go. Everything is going well and everything is good right now. So let's type in our password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 as we told you already. The same password we need to put here. Okay, let's do just a test. United States English and our country. You can select anything you want, but I prefer to select your right country. So for example, I am from Morocco, that's why I will select Morocco, and we are here using French language. I will add French. So French. About language, don't be worried, you can add and change many language in the same time, so don't take care about this point exactly right now. So let's create our database. It will take a while of time right now, but in the last it will working correctly and there is no problem. As you see, this is the easy way to install the last version of Odoo without any problem, without any error, and everything it will be correct if you follow my commands or my script step by step. So don't forget to be subscriber in my channel, and don't forget to leave me your like or your comments if you face it any problem. That's it. So let's wait the final result. Everything working well. Here we are going to enter our email and our select password we type for the database already. So our password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. We can see it together here and click about to connect. Ta-da! Everything is working well. That's nice. So here you can see all application of Odoo, and you can install any module you need or any application you need just by click about activate. So in this tutorial, I will working about inventory or inventaire application. So I will activate it. As we see here, we have only apps and parameters or apps and settings. So as we see more or en savoir plus, that means your application is installed well and there is no problem, and we can see it here. Inventaire, very good. Here we see our application is working well and we can surfing his function and his features. That's it. That's what we see in this video, and everything is working well. If you need any help, you can text me or you can leave me your comments, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. See you in another video. That's it.